Good afternoon, and thank you for joining me for this month's Real Estate Market Update. I'm Todd Pigott. I'm the founder of Zinc Financial, and I'm the managing member of the Zinc Income Fund. For nearly 2 decades, I've helped real estate investors finance investment properties, funding over $1 billion of investor loans and completing over 500 flips myself. That experience gives me a very unique perspective on what's happening in the market today. And today I'd like to share with you why we're continuing to see strength in Central California's markets and where the activity is that we're lending. First of all, look at this. Homes sold above asking price by county. Take a look at this first slide. Across California, many counties continue to see homes selling above the asking price. What's especially encouraging is what we're seeing in markets we know best. The 11 counties that make up our Zinc community right around our office, including Fresno, Kern, Kings, Madera, Merced, San Luis Obispo, Stanislaus, Tulare, Sacramento County, and a few surrounding areas. It represents about 9.5 million people, and if it were a state, it'd be the 10th largest state in the country. This Zinc community continues to demonstrate very strong buyer demand. Many of these markets are seeing roughly 30% of the homes selling above asking price, a sign that well-priced inventory right here in the Zinc community continues to move at a swift pace. Look at the next slide here, California median home price, median. Looking statewide, California's median home price has reached another record all-time high at about $930,000. That's up 2.5% month over month and up 3% year over year. Home sales also posted their strongest annual increase in multiple months, showing continued momentum across the market. Take a look at this slide, Central Valley Market Snapshot. This is important. Here in Central California, which is where the Zinc community, where our office is located, where a large portion of our lending actually takes place, the fundamentals remain very healthy. As a matter of fact, strong. Inventory is just at 3 months. Homes are selling at about 3 weeks here, and sellers are receiving, on average, about 100% of their asking price. If I could invite you to take a look at this snapshot as well, Central Coast, which we're not too far from, about 2.5 hours. The Central Coast is a favorite of mine. It continues to show a positive trend as well, with year-over-year appreciation, balanced inventory, and homes selling for about 99% of list price. This is very strong. I'm over there often, and I think this is very important for you as my investors to take a look at. For our Zinc Income Fund investors, these are very encouraging indicators. We remain very disciplined here in our underwriting, and we continue to focus on the markets that we understand best and we understand very deep. Nearly 70% of our portfolio is concentrated within our Zinc community, which again are those 11 counties surrounding our office. This is an area that I can get to in 2.5 hours, and I know very well. It's where our team has built relationships and experience over many years. For me, well over 20. If you're already an investor, thank you for your continued trust. If you're interested in learning more about the Zinc Income Fund and how we invest alongside California real estate investors, we'd love to connect. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next month's update.